Hi everyone, I used a pizza screen in my Gozney Arc XL pizza oven and had excellent results. If you suffer from burnt bottoms or bottoms on your pizza that are overbaked, this could be a great solution for you. A pizza screen is a very inexpensive tool that many pizzerias use to ensure bottoms are baked to perfection. They give you a lot more control over the bottom of your pizza, so you can concentrate more on getting the top of your pizza perfect like you want it. If you're curious about my tests, you can click on the link which will take you directly to the video on my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. I'll put a link under this video and also in the comments section. Thank you if you decide to watch my video tests in the Gozney Arc XL.